everyone, this is Suniti and all of you are most welcome on my channel Suniti's Galaxy. Here on this channel we talk about everything which helps us to be the better version of ourselves, which helps us to improve the quality of our life. So let's start today. Today I am here with a big question for you. Just ask this question to yourself, that who will cry when you die? It depends on so many things, as the quality of life you are living now, how many people are getting inspiration from you, and so many are there. So we will try to find out the answer of this question today, and with the help of this book, Who Will Cry When You Die? This is the bestseller book by Robin Sharma, and Robin Sharma is a very famous author. He has written a number of bestseller books. And this book is a collection of life lessons from his another bestseller book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So today we will try to find out the answer of this question, and I have pointed out top 10 life lessons from this book which will help us to improve the quality of our life, to be the better version of ourselves. So let's start today. My first lesson is live your life so fully so that you can die happily. Actually, this is the last lesson from this book, but I have taken this as the first one because I think this lesson is the reason why should we follow all other lessons. This lesson is the soul of this book. So the writer says that don't wait until you are on your deathbed to realize the meaning of your life. We are so busy in chasing life's big pleasure that we are missing out the little one. So we should try to live our life to the fullest. And all other lessons will help us to live our life to the fullest. They will help us to improve the quality of our life. My second lesson is find your calling. It means explore your passion. What is that you can do from the early morning till late night and still you feel so fresh and happy? What is that you want to do from the bottom of your heart? That is your passion. If you are following your passion, you will be happy. You will be more of you. Suppose that your friends want you to be A, your family wants you to be B, and this society wants you to be C. You can't be everyone. You can't make happy everyone. So, but if you are following your passion, at least you will be happy. And if you are happy, you can try to make others happy too. So, it is very important to live a quality life, to be happy from within. So explore your passion, follow your passion. My third lesson is be honest. Honesty is the reflection of your own thoughts, your own feelings. If you want to be known who you really are, you should be honest in your self-expression. And it makes you courageous because it needs lots of courage to say what you feel, what you need. Just ask this question to yourself, that which kind of people do you like around you? Everyone likes honest people. So be that one what you want from others. If you are honest, it will help you to improve the quality of your life. And honesty is always the best policy. So be honest. My fourth lesson is be tough to yourself. It means be more disciplined. Actually, this is a very loving gesture. If you love yourself, you will polish yourself by being more disciplined, and in this way you will shine more and more. And if you are harder on yourself, you will start living more purposely. You will start living on your own terms rather than just flowing with the life. The harder you are on yourself, the life will be easier on you. Effective people don't do what is more convenient and comfortable. They take the right decision. They take the right step. They have courage to take the right step. Our life is shaped by the choices and decisions which we take during our lifestyle, during the journey of our life. So we should be more disciplined. We should be little harder on ourselves so that life will be easier on us. My sixth lesson is stress less. The writer gives us a strategy to manage our stress. That is, schedule a specific time for your stress. Schedule 30 minutes for every day to worry. In this 30 minutes, you will think only about your problems, but make sure that after this worry session, you will leave all your problems behind and you will do something more productive. And one more important thing is that make a list of your problems. And in this way, you will find out that there are some problems which don't even exist. There are some only real problems, and you will be able to find out the solution of those real problems. My seventh lesson is enjoy the path, not just reward. The real value of achieving your goal does not lie in the reward you get in the end, but in the process. During the process of achieving your goal, you grow as an amazing personality. That is the real reward. Sometimes you will not be able to see that, but it happens. Suppose that your goal is to become an A grade officer, and for that you are working hard on yourself. You are following a disciplined routine. You are studying a lot, but somehow if you miss that, still you have been improved as an amazing personality. That is the real reward. So enjoy the path. Don't run behind the reward only. My eighth lesson is take more risk. If you don't want to be regretted at the end of your life, that you could achieve some more from your life, take more risk. If you want to live your life to the fullest, take more risk. The more risk you will take, the more rewards you will receive from your life. Sometimes we are afraid to be failed, but it's okay to be failed. Failures are nothing more. They are just lessons how to win. So we should take more risk if you want to achieve some more in life. If you want to live your life to the fullest. My ninth lesson is remember 21 days rules. If you want to improve yourself, you have to acquire some new good habits. And as the rule says, it takes only 21 days to acquire new habits. In the beginning, it is little uncomfortable, but later it becomes a part of our lives. This is like the pair of new shoes, which is uncomfortable in the beginning, but after few weeks, it becomes our second skin. So acquire new habits to improve yourself more and more. These are some very important lessons I have learned from this book, and I must recommend all of you to read this book once. I hope you like this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe this channel also. Thank you.